But the primary role is as a pump to circulate the blood around the body. Of course, everyone knows that. What was not generally known until we did this research is it's the sound of the heartbeat that actually is the primary mechanism that causes the oxygen that's already dissolved in your bloodstream from normal respiration. Every time you take a breath, you're bringing oxygen into your bloodstream and expiring carbon dioxide primarily, right? Every time you take a breath, that's happening. So there's masses of dissolved oxygen in your bloodstream all of the time, but it's not available to the hemoglobin molecules in the red blood cells until there's the sound of the heartbeat. Boom!
Wow.
That boom, that low frequency pulse of energy causes the oxygen to bind to the hemoglobin molecules and literally powers the whole